Welcome to Tip Top Tips, where we provide top tips for a tip-top you. I'm Jem.
And I'm Ice. And our mission is to educate and entertain. So today, we have a very interesting topic for you guys. We'll talk about Bitcoin. I'm sure you've heard about Bitcoin reaching value of $20,000 to one Bitcoin as of last year. And I'm sure this has piqued the interest of many. We want to inform you guys kung ano ba yung Bitcoin, what is blockchain, what is cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin is the first and largest cryptocurrency in the market. It's a purely peer-to-peer version of electronic cash, which allows online payments to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. Breakdown natin, peer-to-peer meaning we transact directly. So this eliminates the middleman. Kasi di ba usually sa current system natin, it's centralized, meaning pag magpadala pera sa'yo, dadaan mo ng bangko or padala center, remittance center, and usually may kukunin silang transaction fee. Bitcoin eliminates this. What if, di ba, there's a way na magpadala ng pera sa'yo ng mabilis, mura, and secure pa.
So dahil kaya mo nang ipadala yung pera directly, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng pagkakatiwalaan na bangko or remittance center, diretso na kagad sa person. This explains why Bitcoin is so popular. There was a financial crisis in 2008, nag-crash yung mga bangko and financial institutions, and so Bitcoin was invented by a certain Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008.
So hindi natin kilala sino si Satoshi
Yes.
Nakamoto. Alias lang yun. Nobody knows who he is.
So in other words, what Bitcoin did is it decentralized the function of banks and financial institutions. Decentralization is when yung control, in our example, of money is not centralized in a certain entity or institution, but is distributed to all the people who use the system. Ang magandang example nito is encyclopedias. Naalala mo pa ba yan, guys?
So dati meron kaming Comptons, Brawlers, Britannica, kailangan bilhin per volume.
Tapos ina-update siya every time, diba? So, ang point lang nun is, yung encyclopedias na to, yung information, they only come from the companies that manufacture or that write these encyclopedias. So, sila yung nagko-control ng information na natatanggap natin. Since isa lang yung source of information, kailangan nating magtiwala na yung information na binibigay sa atin itong mga companies na to ay totoo. Ngayon, that's no longer the case. We now have the internet and therefore we have Wikipedia. There is no central source of information. Anyone who uses it can write on Wikipedia.
So that way, mabilis, since there's no middleman technically or decentralized na information, kung may alam ka, i-upload mo agad. So kunwari may game. Right after the game, you can immediately update the information. Di ka na mag-aabang na encyclopedia pa, which lalabas pa a year after or so. Another example would be news. Media controls all the information na i-release nila. So pwedeng magkaroon ng media blackout, hindi mo alam. Or they filter out the information. But now, with social media, meron ng mga citizen patrol. Yan, so even the media now relies on citizen information. That's exactly what blockchain is. So again, to summarize our discussion, no, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. And ang gamit niyang technology behind it is blockchain. So it's a decentralized network, meaning pwede ako magpadala directly to you ng pera, and di na ako dadaan sa central authority. So it's not owned by a single entity. Sa blockchain, there's a peer-to-peer, decentralized, and distributed ledger that stores information protected by a strong code called cryptography. Okay, so i-break down natin. Alam niyo na yung peer-to-peer, decentralized. What is a distributed ledger?
We can derive from the word distributed that it's distributed among all its members. So all the members of this network has a copy of the ledger or the data in the blockchain. So any modification in the ledger, any transactions going on within that distributed ledger, it has to be approved or agreed upon by everyone in the network. So they have to have a consensus.
Yan. So that way, secure your information kasi mahirap mag-tamper ng data. And aside from that, the data is protected or encrypted using cryptography.
Ano naman yung cryptography is?
So basically, para siyang encryption. So it converts data into a format that is unreadable. So yan yung encryption part. No? Pag nag-transfer ng data sa'yo, may secret code ako, kumbaga, na hindi mababasa ng kahit na sino. But ang kakaiba dito is because of may parang hash, mayroong unique fingerprint or number na nakakabit din sa data, irreversible yung information. So hindi siya mababasa ng kahit na sino, kahit na publicly available and transparent yung information, it's kept secure by cryptography.
So you mean, yung persons who are not authorized
Yes.
to read that information, hindi nila siya mababasa?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Hindi rin nila ma-alter.
Okay.
To summarize what our discussion, no, blockchain is simply a chain of blocks that contain data.
Yung data na yan are interconnected. Dahil interconnected sila, di ba siya matatamper? Otherwise, mababreak yung chain.
Oo, kasi kaya mag-generate ka ng new block, it will contain data about the previous block. So, ko-connect siya doon. Again, yung next na block will contain data on all of the previous blocks. 2008 pa nag-start, 2018 na ngayon. Sobrang haba na ng block. Kung itatamper mo yun, you'd have to regenerate yung buong blocks na yun. So, ang tagal nun.
Yun yung underlying technology behind Bitcoin. That's why it's so secure. Kasi you can't alter the data within the blockchain. If you do that, mabibreak yung chain. So that's why Bitcoin has become such a popular means of transferring money, transferring value to different users. Kasi nga, it's secure, it's transparent, kasi everyone in the network can see all the transactions going on.
It's just one type of cryptocurrency. Ngayon, ang dami-dami ng cryptocurrency. I think kaabot na to more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies. Marami na rin iba-ibang applications of blockchain technology.
Hindi lang cryptocurrency, madami pang other applications, which we will discuss in our next video.
Guys, if you have any questions, let us know para alam pa namin ano yung mga kailangan pa ng more explanation.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to read more about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and blockchain,
We'll share references sa
We'll share.
comments sa description below. Thank you guys for watching.
bye!